welcome back to my channel Learn English Step by Step. Today I am going to continue with second parts of speech, that is pronouns. Firstly, we will talk about objectives. Students will be increases learner engagement and participation. Students will be reduce cognitive overload and maximizes retention. Students will provide a simpler and practical learning experience. Student will be make learning interesting. Student will be enhance the knowledge. Students will be understand about the pronoun and make example related with pronoun. So let's start with the definition of pronouns. A pronoun is used in a place of a specific noun mentioned earlier in a sentence, so that you don't have to keep saying or writing that particular noun. Examples are: Michael is a good boy. He gets up early in the morning. The coach selected several key points. He wanted the team to memorize them. Types of pronoun: subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, and interrogative pronouns. Subject pronouns. Subject pronouns work as the subject of the verb in a sentence. A subject pronouns normally replace the subject or object a noun of the previous sentence. Examples are: Mike can't attend the party. He has gone to his grandparents. Martha is a good storyteller. She told a ghost story that scared everyone. Object pronouns. Object pronouns work as the object or indirect object in a sentence, replacing the antecedent object. This form of the pronoun is also used after prepositions. Examples are: I'll give you a present on your birthday. I have great idea for you. After preposition, tell her that you will take the job. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns replace the nouns of the possessive adjectives my, our, your, her, his, their. The possessive pronouns are mine, ours, yours, hers, his, its, theirs. The pronoun who also has the possessive form whose. Examples are: I got my bag was lost, but the one casric found was mine. Their vacation will be start next week. Ours is tomorrow. Reflexive pronouns. A reflexive pronouns redirect a sentence or a clause back to the subject, which is also the direct object of that sentence. A reflexive pronoun comes when the subject performs its action upon itself, herself. Her itself is the reflexive pronouns. Examples are: since she is her own boss, she gave herself a raise. She allowed herself more time to get ready. The computer restarts itself every night. Intensive pronouns. Intensive pronouns add emphasis, importance, but do not act as the object in the sentence. They can appear right after the subject. Examples are: I will do it myself. I myself saw the missing boat into the harbor. We intend to do all the work ourselves. You yourselves are the responsible for his mass. Relative pronouns. Introduce the relative clause. They are used to make clear what is being talked about in a sentence. They describe something more about the subject or the object. Examples are: the car that was stolen was the one of they loved most. A person who loves nature is good person. Our school which was found in sorry our school which was founded in 1995 is being renovated. I will accept whichever party dress you buy me on Christmas Day. Demonstrative pronouns normally indicate the closeness of or distance from the speaker, either literally or symbolically. This is, that, and those are the demonstrative adjectives when they modify a noun. However, demonstrative pronouns do not modify anything, rather replace the nouns or noun phrases. Example are: that is a long way to go. This is my car. And last is interrogative pronouns. Produce question. They are what, which, who, whom, whose, who, whom, And whose refers to related to a person, animal, and also refers to the object. Examples are: what was the name of your dog? Who works for you? Which is your favorite movie? Whom do you prefer in this competition? So thank you. If you like my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.